How do you make text? How do you make text in Blender? I thought I knew until one time I tried and I was like, wait a minute, where do I set the text? So let me start over again with a new. And, you know, you always have this, right? But I'm not going to need any of that. So I'll just delete it. I have an empty scene. All right, so I add text right here, and there's a text. Now this is the part where I realized, like, oh my god, I don't know how to type the text that I want to have. I thought I could maybe press the A over here on the side and get the text. Let me turn on my screencast keys. I thought maybe I could do that. So I put A and I'm looking for, okay, text. And I was like, oh, this is where I'm going to do it. My text. But it didn't change the words. That's just the name of the element, right? So it's not that. What you have to do is you have to go to edit mode. And then it's literally like, that's like a cursor. And you could just type what you want. What am I going to type? Game over. Okay, I can just type what I want. And now with that there, I'm still in edit mode. There are some things I could do. So let's see. I could set the baseline. This is like how the text aligns, you know, if it's base or if it's the top or if the bottom is the baseline. You know, I could do that. This is the alignment, left, center. What else do we have? We have the character spacing, like how much space between the characters. Let me zoom in a little closer here. So I could zoom in the characters and put them tighter together or spread them out more. You know, I kind of like that, boom. Then there's the word spacing, like between the two words, boom, boom. And I imagine you can animate this kind of stuff too. And then if I had paragraphs, it's the space between the lines. Then, you know, another important thing is how do you change the font? So right now I have regular font. I don't have any of these highlighted. So I could pick a font from my system. I don't have to do anything. This is just looking right in my Windows operating system at all different fonts I have, and I can pick one, and then, you know, it changes to show in that font. So that's cool. If you know what your fonts look like, you're pretty good to go. If you don't know, you're gonna have to click each one and try it out and see what it looks like. So let me see if there's one that I know I like. Ooh, did one say boo? No, it says bod. That's odd. Bod is odd. So then you have the font. Now here's the next thing you're wondering is like, how do I make it 3D? Because right now it's flat. So what did I do? What did I do to make it 3D? Boom, 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 boom. We go to object mode on it, and it's here. Oh, then there's also this other thing. Let me put this in this mode so you can see the actual triangles that are being made. I could change the resolution, see, to have more triangles or less. All right. Oh, I want to have that. Let me pick a different one. I'm just having fun. Blackout. Dun, 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 dun. And this one, I guess I'm gonna need some more resolution. Why does it look so bad? Why? What's this? Oh, I can change the size of the whole thing. Oh, shear is like going to the side. Boom, 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 boom. Let me space these characters out. Oh, whatever this mod is, this blackout one, I don't like it. Bookos. Alright, so say that is my font. And there's somewhere I could like extrude right from the settings. I felt like there was somewhere I could do that. I'm in object mode, I'm in edit mode. And I press A to, no, A actually is typing the A. Where was it that I saw the extrude? Geometry, here it is, the extrude. So this is where, you know, the text becomes 3D. So let me just show it like that. And I guess I could show the wireframe at the same time with that. All right. So all this right here in the editor menu. What's the offset? Ooh, that's cool. I can make the letters even fatter. Little offset thing. All right. Let's see. Game over. And do I have to be in edit mode for all this stuff? Object mode. I could be in object mode and see it from here. So this is how I make my 3D text in Blender.